weirdly or not, I was influenced to use Notion because I've heard a lot about Notion, and it has a lot of great functionalities for enhancing your workflow. But to be really, really frank with you, and to really be honest, if you're looking at a place to take notes, this can be a tool that you have on your laptop, like Word document. This can be a Word document drive. This really doesn't matter that much. Of course, this is just talking about the note taking side. So before you start something, you want to drop down some ideas. Well, I mean, I would encourage you to use Notion because it just gives you a nicer user experience. It will make you a little more excited about the whole process. It'll allow you to kind of structure the solutions and kind of your ideas into specific places. Notion offers a lot of kind of templates that you can already use, which really speeds up the workflow, which can really kind of, enhance your productivity in this case. It can make it more visual for your ideas to come into place rather than having them, just simply written down on a piece of paper. So for note taking and just general management and making sure that your ideas are in a place that are much more visual and, possibly to kind of motivate you to follow those ideas, where maybe you can create like little checkboxes to tick off the steps that you have completed. Well, I think Notion would be my recommendation there. And that's a tool that I use as well, personally. I've learned how to use it. It does take maybe, some time to learn it, maybe watch a video or two of how to use Notion to really get the benefit of it, which I'd suggest you do rather than maybe jumping in and playing around on your own. Unless you have the time, of course. But it's a great tool that I find useful in my day-to-day life. If I want to drop something down, if I want to not forget something, so that's great.